Most Amazon reviews are filtered. This is the real breakdown of whether this product is actually worth it. Forget everything you thought you knew about difficult, all-day smoking. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker, model MB20070421, doesn't just simplify the process, it makes truly delicious, consistent barbecue achievable with a surprising level of set-it-and-forget-it ease, even for absolute beginners. What exactly is the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker, model MB20070421? From Masterbuilt, a trusted name in outdoor cooking, this is an electric vertical smoker designed to revolutionize your barbecue. It removes the constant vigilance and guesswork of traditional smokers, solving the common frustrations of inconsistent temperatures and endless babysitting. Its purpose is simple: provide a consistent, controlled environment to infuse food with authentic smoky flavor. It makes real, delicious barbecue accessible and effortless for any home cook, transforming complex smoking into a convenient, set-it-forget-it process. Now, let's explore the key features that truly make the Masterbuilt MB20070421 a standout for home smokers. 1. Digital temperature control *. This is pure convenience. Set your desired temperature, 100 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and the smoker maintains it with digital precision. This means no guesswork, just consistently perfect results without constant monitoring. It's truly set it and forget it. 2. Side wood chip loader *. A brilliant design. You can add wood chips without ever opening the main door. This prevents heat loss, ensuring a stable temperature and continuous smoke flow, which is crucial for deep flavor and efficient cooking. 3. 7-10 square inches of cooking space * with 4 chrome-coated racks, you have generous capacity. Easily smoke multiple briskets, ribs, or chickens for family gatherings, parties, or meal prepping. It offers fantastic versatility for any occasion. 4. Fully insulated body * double wall insulation efficiently locks in heat. This provides superior energy efficiency and rock-solid temperature stability, even in cooler weather. The result is consistently cooked, juicier, and more tender meats. 5. Integrated leg kit *. This thoughtful addition raises the smoker to a comfortable working height. No more awkward bending to load food or check progress. It significantly enhances user comfort, making the entire smoking process more enjoyable and less strenuous. So, who will truly love the Masterbuilt MB20070421? 1. The smoking beginner * perfect if you're intimidated by traditional smoking. Digital controls mean a low learning curve and consistent success from day one. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.